Hi guys, this is Barnali and I'm here to share that the kitchen script is 1 year old. This 1 year has been full of experiences. There has been so much of appreciation from you guys, so much of encouragement from you guys. It's been amazing. It's been absolutely amazing, and thank you so much. Thank you so much for that. In this 1 year, I have learned so much more, and the more I learn, I realize there is so much more to learn and to explore. So I'm trying to collect more of these recipes, research these recipes, work them into a video format for everyone to see and learn and adapt them in their everyday lives. I also want to take this opportunity to introduce you to my fabulous team. It would have been absolutely impossible for me to be so regular with these videos without my team. So once again, thank you so much. Please continue your support. Please continue your encouragement, because that is my source of sustenance, honestly. And if you haven't subscribed to The Kitchen Script, please do subscribe to our channel on YouTube, on Facebook, and on Instagram. Thank you so much.